Hello guys, today I am going to show how to get a custom app logo, like this. First we need to open up shortcuts. Now, since I have made a shortcut for this, I can show you how to do it too. Look for Open App. It should be pinned when you add an action. Search for Roblox. Now to prevent from this to happen, search up for Nothing. Move it to the top. Press on Add to Home Screen. Press on Picture. And press on Choose Picture. I'll choose this as a testing pic. Crop the image you have selected if necessary. And press on Add. And there you have it, your own customized app logo. And this works for all apps you can think of.